How to Make a Pocket by Curt B, baby. Yo, what's good, my hood members? You know what it is, dinner time, still in quarantine. Yeah, we finna whip up something special today. All right, y'all, couple things you're gonna need. Choice of meat, we got chicken tonight. Chicken, should look good like that, right? But nah, man, that was bland. So we got chicken. I'm going with the cheddar cheese crackers. I only might use 2 of the crackers, honestly. I'm only gonna use like 2 of the peanut butter crackers. Maybe just 1, because I don't want too much peanut butter taste, but it's gonna give it a little bit of sweetness. Cheetos for your cheese, a little more cheese to go with the crackers. Gotta give a little more chicken flavor since we got the chicken. When you mix the beef with it, it's gonna just set it off. So, we got 2 packs of noodles, 1 pack of chips by choice. You can have more, however many you want. Crackers, how many you want for your choice. For me personally, I only use 2 of these crackers, only 1 of these. I don't need to make too much. I'm gonna cut half of the chicken. You will need a plastic bag, something that makes sure you don't have a hole in it. So you ain't got no hole in it. I'm gonna use this little bag right here. The main ingredient is hot water. You're gonna need some hot water. Me personally, I got this right here where I can heat my water up. Boom, boom, boom. So we're gonna use this. All right, man, let's get it. First thing first, we're gonna chop this chicken up. Boom, we're gonna chop this chicken good, real good. All right, now that we got the chicken all chopped up, that's good enough for me, personally. That's enough for me. Boom, boom. Now we're gonna take a couple of these crackers. Crunch up about 2 of the crackers right here. That's all I need, 2. I like to crunch them up in the pack, that way shit don't get all messy. Crunch up 2 of them. Gonna crunch up, say 2 of these peanut butters, but I ain't gonna use all 2. I might only just use half of this what I'm crunching up. Boom, that's done. Cheetos. Yeah, bust these babies up. You want the Cheetos crunch real good, that way they can spread inside the pocket, man. You don't want all the Cheetos in one spot, so crunch them up real good. Some people like to use 2 bags. That's all I need, man. I ain't too hungry tonight, for real, for real. Just tired of eating the same stuff. Boom, we got them crunched up good. Bust these noodles up. You got weak hands, you're gonna have to do something like this, man. That's a little easier. Nice. Boom, boom, boom. There it is. Now let's put it all in a bag. All right. Now we're getting somewhere, baby. I'm gonna take these Cheetos. Bag. Boom, boom. Drop them in the bag. Take the noodles. Don't forget to get the sauce out. Beef noodle. Cracker. Cheese cracker. Could have put more crackers, but no. I don't want to put too much peanut butter taste in it, but just a little bit. So watch my swag. Crunched up 2 crackers. Boom, boom, boom. That's it. They're going to give it a little sweetness. Next, we're going to add our chicken. Let's get our chicken up in there. Chopped up. Yeah. Drop that in there. Take our sauces. Make sure you don't put it all in one spot, man. All right. Now this is where the good part comes in. Now it's trying to mix it all together. Me personally, what I like to do. See how much food we got so far? That's a big ass meal for one person, ain't it? Yeah. Y'all see that already? Y'all see the difference? Got it all shook up. Excuse me. Man, that's enough to feed 2, man. Anyway, I recommend you lay down a small towel or something, because once you pour that water in, that hot water, and it's going to get hot. And then I like to wrap it up in this to keep the warmth in it. Some kind of little towel. Now it's time for some hot H2O. We'll let that water boil, get nice and hot. Just to let you know, you can use whatever you want, man. If you like sour cream and onion chips, you want to put you some chips in it. You want to put you some Doritos, anything, crackers, whatever you like, you know what I mean? You can chop you up some sausage sticks, whatever choice of meat you want to put in there. Me personally, I like chicken. I like chicken. Put that chicken up in there. Don't that look different? Look at the flavor already and the difference in the chicken. That chicken look like it got a little flavor to it, don't it? This is what they sold me. Got our water nice and hot. So, warning. Be careful, man. Do get hot. Let's open this bag up here. Do not over pour. Do not pour too much water. Pour enough. And what we're going to do is, you got to massage it like you do your woman, man. You don't want to put too much water, so boom, there we go. Just add some more. A little bit at a time. Massage it like your woman, man. Or your man, excuse me. Y'all see it? It's getting a little wet, a little moist. She getting moist. Let me stop. Still dry up top. Let's get some more water. The water gonna absorb it, so you wanna once it's all said and done, you wanna put a little extra. You want it nice and wet. Get it nice and wet. So when the water absorbs, when it's all said and done, it's gonna cook. And it won't be too dry though. Y'all see that? That's still too dry. Put some more water in that guy. Oh yeah, there it is. This is hot, so gloves. If you got some gloves, it's recommended or something, or you can use your towel to do it, however you want to do it. I got man hands though, so I ain't worried about it. Good massage on it. That's what it's starting to look like. Oh yes. Pour me a little bit more though. Boom, boom, boom. Too much water take away the flavor too, so. Yeah, man, that's starting to look about right. Still in Tokyo, quarantine. That's what you want. That's what it's gonna look like. Yeah, the close up. Yeah. That's what it's gonna look like. Let me add another dab. Just a dab. And I want it nice and moist when it get done cooking. Boom. There it is, y'all. Let all the air out that. Make sure all the air out of it. Now, a lot of people like to spread it flat. However you want to do it. Me personally, I want all the heat to stay together real close. So I'm going to tie it up like this here. Give me a little small knot in that. That's what it's supposed to look like, y'all. No? Y'all see it's nice and moist. Trying to let it cook. Wrap it a couple times. Boom. See y'all in a minute for dinner. All right, y'all, it's been about 5 minutes. Let's see what we're looking like. Yeah, that look good. That look good. Boom. And there it is. Oh, don't that look good? We're gonna take some of this. As you see, it's all sticking together. Boom, boom, boom. Put this underneath my bowl. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. That's so good. There we go, y'all. So there it is, y'all. I'm finished. Gonna give me a little Coca-Cola. Y'all see what it made. It made enough to eat for 2. Enough for later. So I appreciate the love. Shouts out. If y'all like the content, like, subscribe, comment. You know what to do. It's your boy, Curt, baby. Ha!